Hey everybody, this is Mike from Accounting for Cycling. Today we'll be unboxing and checking out the Logitech Brio 100. This is a full 1080p HD webcam, basically meant more for kind of, working from home, school from home. You can obviously still use it for streaming, gaming, that kind of stuff, but yeah, it's meant to be a little more sitting on your desk in the office and doesn't raise any eyebrows. Yeah, and I mean overall it's a tiny box. Little carbon neutral indicator there. So let's bust out the handy dandy Gerber and start opening. So I think you're actually supposed to open it from the top here. All right, scratch that first cut. Oh, perfect. Don't even need the Gerber. You get little pull tabs on here. So ignore that. It's another me destroying boxes unnecessarily. I'm sure in a future life it'll come back to haunt me when the boxes rise up. So right here you've got very basic instructions. Download the software at logitech.com/downloads. Microphone privacy slider. So this is not a sponsored video, but I did receive this as a member of Best Buy's Tech Insider Network program. As a member of this invitation-only program, I am provided with products for the purpose of writing honest, unbiased reviews. So even though I did not purchase this product and it was sent to me, that does not sway any of my opinions or comments on it. So let's continue with the unboxing here. And this part of the box actually feels neat, like it's covered in tape or something. But so here's the actual webcam. Move the box out of the way. All right, this is just safety, compliance, warranty. Always read those, always. But for right now, we're going to put it over there. So we got little plastic tabs. They're not quite as satisfying as ones you get on the side of like a gaming PC, but still you get that, I don't know, like the tape pull noise. I don't know what people really find super enjoyable about it. I'd rather open the boxes. But anyways, so we've got stand here, and very similar to the JLab Epic Cam. It's similar to pretty much every modern webcam mount here. So kind of a basic, just kind of gray cord. It says Logi on it, just in case you were curious when you're on the back of your computer or your dock for your laptop. It is a fixed cable, so you can't detach it and use a different one if you wanted. Which I don't think I've ever seen a webcam that actually does that. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it's got these little grippy pads on, and when I do the kind of from my end view, you'll see how it sits on top of the monitor, which is kind of a ridiculous monitor too. It's a 45-inch Corsair Z Neon Flex. It is excellent. It is awesome. Definitely ridiculous and overpowered, but really awesome. So you've got the little privacy slider here, and it moves very easily. It's even got little stops on the end, so you can't go too far. Change faceplates if you want. Yeah. Other than that, it's a pretty basic setup. It's still, solidly built. It's not like you're gonna, break it setting it on top of your monitor. This is a very welcomed inclusion. I feel like not enough webcams come with a little privacy slider. It just keeps you from being that person with a post-it note on your computer. So yeah, nice, easy. Just a little bit of kind of vertical motion to get it into the correct positioning. This obviously goes directly on your monitor or on the top of your laptop too. Things that people don't use as often as they should, especially in an office setting. Don't use your laptop webcam. As I mentioned in the JLab Epic Cam one, your ThinkPad webcam, it sucks. I mean, my Surface Laptop 4 that we use for work, the webcam, better than most, still sucks. This will run circles around it. And, you don't get that under chin look, which nobody really enjoys. But so you do get a little bit of vertical up and down. It kind of clicks right on here, and then you lower this to secure onto the monitor. But yeah, so next what we'll do is I'll set this up onto my computer. We'll get a little bit of, it's kind of a quick brief video, probably of me just, I don't know, talking to it. Very similar to the last one. Talking to it, testing out the actual microphone itself built onto it, as well as obviously the webcam itself. So that's pretty cool. Much like a lot of other webcams, it gives you a little indicator light here that tells you that it's on. So even if you have this slider closed, you'll still be able to see, yeah, it is activated. You at least get some voice here. It kind of sits a little weird on top of the screen. So if you have really thin bezels, I don't know, but I mean, $39.99 compared to $99.99. Granted, this also does 2K 1440p video, but even like Logitech's own, I think that's the C922 or something, I don't know, 1080p, also on like a little pop-up thingy, but it doesn't sit quite as low as this does. So yeah, very kind of nondescript though. Like, doesn't jump out at you that like, oh, this could be used for other things like gaming or, I don't know, family calls. But looks sharp, looks clean. Yeah, looks sharp, looks clean. Very easy install. Like, it's just you set it up on top of the monitor, plug it into USB, and it reads. Like, it's already reading. As far as just kind of quick stats and information on it, like I said, it is a 1080p video webcam, so that's, most onboard webcams are something in the range of like a 720p, which is fine, I guess. But if you really want to just kind of snap and look sharp, that's where you're really going to want like a 1080p, a 2K, maybe not quite a 4K for work, but you know, you do you. Before picking up my own 1080p webcam, which was originally for use in the office, it just makes you look extra crisp, if you will. Auto light adjustment, they call it right light technology, so boost brightness, reduce shadows, tries to make you look your best. Integrated privacy slider, which is, you know, just really nice. Built-in microphone, and you should just be able to plug it right into your USB port, and it'll be picked up by Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet. I mean, really just about anything you can really think of. So yeah, you should just be able to plug it right in, use it right away, pass around the office if you want, keep it in the conference room. So this is the Logitech Brio 100 HD 1080p webcam. It is $39.99 as of this video, which, I mean, for $40, that's, if you are the IT purchasing whatever manager in an office, do your people a favor, get something like this. I'm sure Logitech has like a business deal. Like, it's just so much nicer. Plus, if you have it plugged into your dock, you can, you know, one cord plug in and everything at your workstation is there. You don't have to worry about propping up your laptop in a weird way. Yeah, anyways, I'll have links down the description below for this, as well as a link to the video for the JLab Epic Cam that I just posted. You know, check out any other videos I may have. I'll have a few of them linked down in the description below. This is only my second ever webcam video, so I will have the Epic Cam video linked and probably some, you know, actual bike videos and tech videos. This definitely goes more with the accounting side of accounting for cycling. But yeah, it's just kind of a good thing to have. Plus, $39.99 is quite a steal. Yeah, the links down in the description below. They don't cost you anything extra. I do earn a small commission off them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Please like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content. I'll have more videos kind of popping up right in this area here, and click those. Really appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for checking this out today.